Well, today is supposed to be September, the beginning of September, and I'm gonna do a hijama, Arabic called hijama, but in English they call it a Chinese cupping. So what I need for Chinese cupping are the following: cups, suction cups, a razor blade, of course, This is a pump that comes along with the package of these cups, and this is just an introduction for what the Prophet said about Chinese hijama and some location on the head. But according to my study, which I've been doing since 1993 in Chinese acupuncture and Chinese acupressure, that the same lines or meridian or the points, they are all related to the same thing, whether it's acupressure or Chinese cupping. So I'm gonna use these small cups, never mind about my hand, that was a fire, to do here, this point here, and I'm having some knees pain, so I'm gonna use middle cups for this point here. It's a good cure for arthritis or broken cartilage. I used to have a broken cartilage, but I cured it with Chinese cupping or hijama. And because I'm a smoker, I'm going to use these cups for this point here. This point, there is a line that goes to the back, and it causes shoulder ache, and you can feel the lump like a ball inside under the skin. I'm going to do here, and here. So to start, I should say that also I need a container with some oil inside of it, so I dip the cups and there will be no leak of air, especially in hairy area. And for those who want extra precaution, they could use sterilized dressing, but in my case I know what I'm doing, so I'm going to use just simple toilet paper and salt and water as to. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the cup inside, and this trigger has to be loose, the red one. I'm going to press the pump, insert the pump. Now there is, as we can see, the cup and the pump are together, and I have to get closer to the mirror, and that's what I need to do. So as I press, we can see, oh, it's paining, a bit of pain. Anyway, we can see that the cup, under the cup, is blackish or bluish color. So I'm going to insert another cup in this red container, and I'm going to press here. I have to straighten up my leg to put it here on the knee and start pumping air out, and after a while it's gonna get bluish So I remove the pump and I insert the small cup for the points here, which was told by peace be upon him Muhammad. According to our standing on the feet, this is a point that you can get a lot of blue blood out of it. So I'm gonna put the pump and then I'm gonna press start pumping out. And of course I'm gonna use this plate as to collect the blood in it to show the degree of the dirtiness or the bluish color of the blood. Well, I should wait at least 2 or 3 or 4 minutes till the cups get black color, like this one. Look at this one. So I'm going to take the razor, and one more remark I should say, that the cutting has to be either vertical line, and it should not be more than 1.5 millimeter with a depth of approximately half millimeter, just touching the skin with a razor. But some people get scared to do it. So I'm gonna move the cup, and as we can see, the spot is bluish. We'll have to stop now.